Cotswolds, and we're in mid Wales, in the Brecon Beacons. We're Patsy, and we're going to walk up Pennyvan. So I'm very excited. I've wanted to climb this mountain for a long time. So, and the sun's out. We're wearing our sunglasses, and yeah, it's just stunning. We haven't lost our car keys yet, which is incredible between the two of us. It's a usual little habit that we get into, but yeah, we'll take you with us. So this is the start. This is where we're going. 886 metres high. So we're going up this way. So we're almost doing two peaks. Yeah. Corndew and then Pennyvan.
Yeah, you can go up.
Oh, Tom Jones obelisk. Is that Tom Jones? Jones?
So that's why we can come back that way.
Okay.
Just come back down.
I don't mind. Let's see how we feel. Okay. Let's do it.
What is that?
Oh, look at the bridge. Yeah. Do a little video selfie at the start. Both smiling. There we go.
Smiling.
We're happy to be climbing at the moment. So we're going up over that way, I guess. Oh, you can see the path going up, can't you?
We went on through the trees and we thought you'd be able to get across.
And there's a big dip.
You have to come back.
Taking it slow. There's a nice path though.
Let's see where the mud's gone over it.
Panning round. We're nearly there yet. Taking lots of stops and looking at the views quite a bit.
Lovely view.
The path's quite nice and easy to walk up though. It's just increasing gradual incline. It's getting a bit colder now, going up. Just got to get to that gap and then we'll be able to see the summit of Pennyvan. But spectacular views, like never ending. They just go on and on and on.
I'm sweating and cold now all at the same time. How is that possible?
Going to the gap. There's always a gap in a mountain, isn't there? Not Pennyvan. Wow, looking forward to the view. That's windy. Oh my. Oh wow, that's amazing. And that's Pennyvan. Oh my god, it's so lovely. So there's the summit. I'm heading towards that. That view is incredible, and you can see the sea. Oh, look at that. I love like coming to new places and exploring the vastness of nature, I guess, but yeah, I'm coming back now. Yeah, it's just so nice. I think there's been snow here recently because this is why this is so muddy, isn't it? Oh, it's quite chilly, isn't it? Yep. That's been beautiful. Absolutely lovely. Slow and steady though, but you know, that's not too bad. Taken us just over an hour to walk up, I guess. Is it? Time did we leave? Hour and a half, yeah. Not there yet though, but nearly. Yeah, so that's Brecon there. It's a cube amazing at the top, so we're just making it because I would shout on top of the world. We're going up this one now. I can't remember the name. Something bread, wasn't it? I can't remember. Anyway, we're going up this one now. Stunning. And it's going up here. Just going to find out what this peak is called. It's really flat on top. Peak 2, we don't know what it is.
Yeah,
We'll look later. God, it's just like a massive flat table of a mountain. It's incredible. So we're going to find our way down. Down the mountain. God, that was just amazing. I just can't get over the scenery. It's just like amazing. It's almost overwhelming, isn't it? It's, yeah, everywhere you look, there's just like beautiful scenery. It's like if I was going to score this walk, it's already a 10 out of 10, just because of the scenery, and it's such a beautiful day. There are quite a few people here, but do you know what? It doesn't matter. Everyone's really respectful. So still on our way down now. So nearly back at the main car park.